Good Monday, everybody. This is cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin ETF news. We have some breaking news coming out today. The mainstream media is catching up to the Bitcoin ETF news, and there's lots of reports coming in that we could see a potential approval for this week. Before we get into our video, though, please make sure you hit the like button, you're subscribed to the channel, and let's talk about why the Bitcoin ETF matters. I've already did a video on this the other day. However, this needs to be echoed because this is extremely important for the cryptocurrency community. And what does it mean? What is the bullish case on the Bitcoin ETF? Well, let's talk about that right here. So first, we have to understand a little bit what it is. Word on the street is the ETF will be approved this week. Bitcoin has already has mainstream attention and interest from Wall Street. So what a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund would provide, apart from potentially positive momentum for Bitcoin's price, would be a signal of the asset's maturity, which is exactly what we want, right? We want legitimization. We want, basically, we want Bitcoin to be recognized in the asset community, right, as something that is legitimate. So the U.S. government was hesitant to approve crypto ETFs before because of the possibility of market manipulation, like stocks don't get manipulated, and fraud. Obviously, fraud comes in many different forms, not just in cryptocurrency. Cash fiat has been used in fraud cases for years and years and years. Like, I don't even like this argument. So ETFs are like mutual funds, except they typically more tax efficient and lower cost, and they're relatively new and quick growing segment of traditional finance. So Larry Fink is the CEO of the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, and he said the firm is interested because it sees legitimate demand from its clients in a spot Bitcoin ETF. Many types of crypto-based ETFs are already live. However, a spot Bitcoin ETF would allow institutions to more easily gain exposure to crypto, as well as everyday investors to indirectly add Bitcoin to their Roth retirement accounts and 401ks. This is obviously, geared towards the US. That's where the Bitcoin ETF is going to, most likely be approved. So this opens Bitcoin to a new set of buyers and sellers, including financial advisors who for years have been looking for off-the-shelf solutions for crypto investing. So that's a thing. The more popular cryptocurrency gets, the more people are going back to their investors, and they're asking them, can I get, cryptocurrency? And they're like, really, they have no real way of adding it to their portfolios, like through their own, investment pathways. But now this can open it up to many, mom and pops, people that are looking to, to add Bitcoin to their retirement savings account, or even just add it to their portfolio, period, just as another, diversification method, right? So a lot of people own many different things. A lot of people have, real estate, stocks, bonds, they have cash, they have, cryptocurrencies also becoming a widely adopted asset. And mainstream media is getting a hold of this information now. So what we're going to see here is we are hearing a lot from Watcher Guru on this account. Spot Bitcoin ETFs expected to be approved on Wednesday and could begin trading this week, CNBC reports. So we hear a lot of, expected to be approved this and this date or whatever, but BlackRock themselves, just one second here, where did it go? BlackRock expects its spot Bitcoin ETF to be approved on Wednesday. So they're actually coming out and talking about their own approval. They're not talking about approvals in general. They're talking about theirs. And you know what? That adds a little bit of legitimacy to that prediction. In my opinion, obviously, things can go sideways. The SEC is not scared to say that they don't like cryptocurrency. Gary Gensler actually came out today and said, there's still fraudsters in crypto. Well, duh, there's fraudsters everywhere in the entire world. And, Gary just wants to make a name for himself. And, I really do think that he's got a hate on for crypto for some reason. Maybe he got rug pulled. I have no idea. But a lot of people lose money in many different ways, and not just in cryptocurrency. And you just have to be careful with your own funds, and that's what crypto is all about, right? It's about empowering yourself to hold your own assets and to be in charge of your own financial wealth, basically. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. We're going to be watching this intently. Things are starting to heat up in the overall market. I'm just go have a quick look before we go. We're going to have a quick look at the overall cryptocurrency market. It's up 1.4% over the last day. today, sitting at 1.67 trillion. Bitcoin is coming in at almost just under 47,000 right now. We are seeing a massive run up right now for Bitcoin. We can expect altcoins possibly to follow suit. However, I think the majority of the focus is going to stay on Bitcoin for a little while. I actually posted that on I didn't even share that, did I? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so Bitcoin is up, and I shared that actually yesterday, I believe it was. We won't see a proper altcoin season until the hype around Bitcoin dies down, because I think, if we get the Bitcoin ETF approval, and then we're going to, roll into the halving, and I really don't think we're going to see a proper altcoin season until later down the road, after Bitcoin, kind of does its thing after halving and all that stuff. And, we can still make money. We can still make money on altcoins. It's still a good time to get into the market. Still a good time to add to your proverbial bags that you already have, or maybe start some new positions that where you might want to swing trade, etc. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do what's right for you. Every asset is different as well, so please make sure you do your own research. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a little bit longer than normal, but hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.